We've gone through earnings season, and it's been very interesting, obviously, starting off with the banks, as we always like to kick it off. But now we've gotten a little bit deeper into it, or a lot deeper into it, and we've got names like Nvidia in front of us and others, and the semiconductors have literally been on fire of late for the most part. Nice moves to the upside. What do you think about specific sectors like something like that, or even specifically, what are you looking for from Nvidia when they come out just in a week or so?
Yeah, they're coming out on the 23rd. And, we just had actually Financial Times ran an article just recently about the UAE and Saudi Arabia and how they are really, this is a global arms race on the semiconductor chip side. This is what is happening. And it kind of is reminiscent of maybe a .com type of situation. Like, we literally don't have all the chips that we need for the Internet of Things and for the AI that's coming. Every Internet of Things needs a chip, right? This is a massive amount of new requirements. And so it's a strong buy on any kind of semiconductor, that, especially one as well established as obviously Nvidia. And basically, I would say that that is a sector that is going to be a massive growth sector. I mean, this is the future. AI is the future. I don't know, it's a future that we understand, comprehend, and really should sign on to. I've kind of on the Elon Musk side of, let's actually take some time. This is what happens in the world, by the way. Things just happen and nobody stops and says, let's decide if this should happen. So this AI is coming. The AI that I've seen, you guys would not believe. And I think that a lot of people think of AI as in terms of blue collar. They think, oh, well, my local burger flipper at Burger King is going to be replaced by a robot. That is completely inaccurate. This is the upending of all jobs for all humans everywhere. We're talking about robotics that can do neurosurgery. We're talking about ChatGPT. We already have a lawyer who literally wrote an entire brief through ChatGPT. Turns out his case law was all wrong, so he got in big trouble. But as soon as they get the case law updated, lawyers will be able to this is the upending of a human contribution to GDP. And I don't think that people have understood that and really processed that. And that's their goal.
Want more from Market Rebellion? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and learn more about options trading at marketrebellion.com.